Hi boys and girls, so for today's lesson on phonics, we are going to review the letters we would have been journeying with so far, and those letters are S-A-T-I-N-P, the letters we would have been journeying with so far. And to help us with that lesson today, I have my steel pan. Now this is not any kind of steel pan, this is a special steel pan. And in order for this steel pan to play music, it depends on you. So you see these letters you're seeing there? Those letters have music or sounds. And in order to hear the sound, you need to say them. So when I hit on the letter, let's say I'm hitting on this, we have to say p, 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 s, s, ah, 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 t, 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 eh, 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 eh. Yes, boys and girls. So I'm going to try it again and you're going to say the sounds with me. So let's go. Look at these letters I'm hitting so that you can say the sound with me. Ah, 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 ah. N, 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 n. Ah, ah, ah. S. P, 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 p. Ah, 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 ah. Eh, 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 eh. T, 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 t. P, 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 p. N, n. Ah, ah, s, s. Ah, ah, s, t. Ah, ah, s. Good, good. So you saw I made a little mistake there and said the wrong song for some of them. So let's just close off this part. Let's go over all of them. This one, this is the S, and the S says S. The P says P, P, P. The N says N, N, N. The I says eh, eh, eh. The T says T, T, T. The A says ah, ah, ah. Good job. So you are looking now at S-A-T-P-I-N. And we know from before and from the beginning of this video that the S says S, the A says A, the T says T, the P says P, the I says I, and the N says N. So here's what we are going to do for this part of the lesson. You are going to see some pictures like this ant here. We are going to say it slowly to try and figure out what sound is at the beginning so that we can figure out what is the beginning letter for these pictures. So this is ant. Ant. I am hearing a, ant. And we know that the letter A makes the a sound. So the beginning of that word ant, we would see a letter A. Oh my, this little boy is getting an injection. Let's say it slowly. Injection. 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 Good, and you figured it out? The letter I, because the letter I says as an injection. This now is a star. Star. Let's say it again. Star. And I'm hearing S at the beginning of that word. And yes, the letter S says for star. Good job, boys and girls. Here now we have a nail. 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 I'm hearing nail. And we know that the N says N for nail. Nail. Oh, look at that happy pig. Pig. Yes. Say it again. Pig. Can you feel that puff of air on your finger? Pig. Because you're hearing that P sound for pig. And we know that the P says P for pig. Good job. Finally, we have a tank. That's a tank, yes, that you will have water in it. Tank. Say it slowly again. Tank. What sound is that tank beginning with? Tank. Good job. The T sound. And we know that the T says T as in tank. So now that we would have reviewed our letter sounds, we have some writing to do in our copybooks. So you have to write in your writing section, you have to write your letters that for S-A-T-P-I-N, and then you have to look under phonics. You will see a picture with lots of images on them, and you have to say what each image is say it slowly to get the beginning letter for each picture, and then you're going to write it on the line. Have fun!